Hello guys, welcome to Gate Data Science and Artificial Intelligence. Um, Today we'll discuss some useful tips from our past Gate toppers, what they say. So there are several Gate toppers interviews, and here what I have done is that just compilation किया है. So आपको थोड़ा idea आ जाए कि भाई what are the main things to be considered. तो चलते हैं कि भाई what are the main tips. So first tips is that you start the preparation early. Majority of students tells that 80% of students are telling that gosh, I have started my preparation early 2 months before, 3 months before, like that. Why? Because if you start early, ideally 9 to 12 months in advance, you have a lot of time to gather the right study material, subject test series, useful tips, and कुछ आइडियाज़ आपके सीनियर से. ये बहुत ज़रूरी रहता है. एंड ऑल्सो अंडरस्टैंड द गेट सिलेबस, क्योंकि उसमें कुछ टॉपिक्स है, कुछ सब्जेक्ट्स है जो कभी आपने पढ़े नहीं. कैसे पढ़ाया जाए, कौन से टॉपिक पे फोकस किया जाए. सो ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो टाइम इज़ रिक्वायर्ड फॉर स्ट्रेटेजाइजिंग preparations. Like you have an excellent book, you can go through there. Several tips are given by Global Education, available on Amazon. So likewise, you have several books, but this gives you comprehensive idea. The next important part is that whenever you study any subject, whether you take, you know, uh, database, systems, or you take the algorithms and programmings, or you take, machine learnings, what you need to do for each subtopics, make a short notes and important formulas, because these formulas are very important for solving you know the question which are not MCQs, like filling the blank is there, numerical type questions. And I revise because short notes is easy, quick to revise. So revise it every month so you won't forget it. Statistics says that around 70% students regretted for not making notes properly, because at the last time it's very hard to um, revise it. The other very important point is the solve previous year question. Now data science is relatively a new topic, so you will find limited number of papers and all. But some topics like general aptitude, you can find several things. Um, the data structure, algorithms, and database management you'll find from the computer science. So you can take that questions and practice it. Um, and important part is that make a list of frequently asked questions, which will take a time because you have only one get paper. But you can take from the others so that you can focus more. Around 45% of students says that we should have done previous year questions at first, solve thoroughly. We would have made list of frequently asked questions. That will help. When it comes to the mock tests, the important part is that you start early. Several students starts in late January or early February. I would recommend avoid that. Start in December. And if you have finished, so you will have also a limitation that to finish your syllabus by November, because mock test will tell you that whether you are spending enough time, appropriate time for each kind of questions. Time management comes into picture. Then also it will identify your weak areas. Okay, and I would suggest allow 7 to 10 days between each mock test, at least 5 days. You have to plan that way. so that you can give a justice to the test, because you require some time to improve your weak areas, to strengthen your concept, also to do some practice. Okay, so at least before gate you write 6 to 7 mock test. That will give you idea. More is better. 65% of students regretted after gate for not taking enough mock test, and they said that I knew rest of the questions but I didn't have time. And that shows that you didn't manage the time properly, you didn't have a practice. So avoid that mistake. Okay, so that's all with this guy. All the best for your exam preparations.